Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Memamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Say the biggest story in the country today. Martin Amidu and Sensem no. Endra memamuti ase say flashback ensem bia Kennedy Japan wokan ye embra Martin Amidu ye man adwuma no. Ensem no abemu as ne kre. Kennedy Japan asanso apase comment bi. Na ye be address sa comment no. Now Mr. Infonina etwetwe go ewo screen so no eye entire aye produce ewo abrochre. If you want to support our channel, if you feel say the job we are doing so we need now person support here, link no ewo description box ni mo click it na pe atare ne bi eto. Who you so subscribe na click the notification bell ne so and no and that screen so sia me adoma ne so eba na wa select all oye ne sa otewa na yankasa ye the news no abrel news we say aye reporting grofo bebre na yankasa na ye de bre omo etie for yan konsem ni mu answer na ye be konsem ni mu no me person me read tweet bi yesterday a particular tweet na ma me read the tweet na entre mo na me read it mu wi a na yakoso ende ensem a Kennedy Japan edeba now tweet ni I say Kennedy Japan now they come do the dirty work. Don't be surprised when you see him attacking Martin Amidu on his TV station from now on. And that Martin Amidu in Sensem no ekwo so we ye no. And a tweety and a Twitter. Nendra and na tweet no send me read it no e say sisia no Kennedy Japan wo ba be ye dirty work no ama MPP for. Ma obia enye surprised say Kennedy Japan sisia de mo bete say wo keka nsem afa Martin Amidu hu egu Martin Amidu hu fin. That was the tweet Endra ebae. And then opa ye sorry ya ne say yate say Kennedy Japan efre Martin Amidu incompetent and a lazy worker. Or say Martin Amidu he couldn't deliver. That is what Kennedy Japan is saying. Inti Kennedy Japan opa we kan asem na be say ye krom handsome nkrofo bi mu wo ho a wo must steady on my Ghana ehu ne say BBC say ya nipa we ne de ne beba say won be ye adwuma we BBC say ya nipa we obesha ase say wo kasa say BBC say ya nipa besha ase say wo kasa say no obi ati ase. It has been very, very predictable. That was the tweet yesterday. The tweet was made 13 hours ago. And right now, I'm in Okase. Right now, I'm in Okase. The Kennedy Japan. Now, we be reading some Kennedy Japan. What they etuja na Ghana phone na enhu. Or say, my criticism of Amidu cost me a lot in the party. But I can't say it because the election is drawing closer. Now, Endra, broadcast na me ye no me mamoti asese me Kennedy Japan ya ade bi na enya me ba bonten ebe kama adwen. Waka asem bi na enya ne kra, me sanso ba bonten be kama adwen. I gave a lot of examples. Me wie na me sanso try mo say wa ba bonten abeka bibi na afe asem a waka na eye ne kra nkwan so de a me ba bonten ba beka. Nti Endra, Martin Amidu ade a waka ye letter me read him on the crano. Just said there was a 13-page letter. The me read him was just about 2 pages. Now that 13-page letter no ebia menyam rene ya come through. Now that 13-page letter no Martin Amidu revealed some damning revelations. Kaya no say President Akufo-Addo friend by the office. And now President Akufo-Addo person or ye kokwasa nyama bi a wono Martin Amidu one penny. Just say a good President Akufo-Addo hu fin. And that me no ka say oko Twitter #1 the air trendy Nanado no Sisiano increase NSS alawa and #1 but throughout the morning no Nanado is corrupt and then Nana #1 and Dra me what he say kick Nana out was trending. Intende Nanado is corrupt no Sisiano a movie aba #2 Nanado is corrupt because of Martin Amidu nsensem no na embra ye de Martin Amidu see so no me mamoti say Kennedy Japan ebie na no ka say MPP for Mamuninji because that an MPP for any age say Martin Amidu ye deny a special prosecutor. Kennedy Japan ba ponte beka say ma MPP for any inji say ye de Martin Amidu aye special prosecutor because Sa Martin Amidu no obi a one day wo be fechi na waba beka MPP for nti me be ye broadcast and dry and I make say sa asem wa Kennedy Japan kan ye as far back as 2018 abim ne kre na we die Kennedy Japan kan no abim I was say ye dene bo emano yesterday I did that broadcast and I said it nti ende Kennedy Japan so feel say dabi ono so wo de obeka afa Martin Amidu hu na wa sha say wo kasa say no. But see, we put it behind us because his statement cannot have any effect. But see, Martin Amidu says, it will not have any effect on MPP. The MPP, the only assembly to Muchi. I see, we spoke about Ejapa. I see, no, he spoke about Ejapa. But has anyone sold the Ejapa? Even the work we gave to him on Dome level, he could not do it. He should tell us of any NDC member who he has been able to prosecute. Inti Kennedy Japan asemo a work no. Wase Martin Amidu wonka NDC ni ben na wetumi ache no. This is the question Kennedy Japan is asking. They say Juma ye de hye ne nsa ema Dome level ho kra no wonu Martin Amidu no wentumi anye. Martin Amidu is incompetent. Wase Martin Amidu is not a good manager. In MPP they hail only foolish people. That is why they were hailing Martin Amidu, who is full of bad deeds. Kennedy Japan say onankasa ne MPP no. Onankasa ne MPP. They hail only foolish people. Nkrofo asebi wo mo ejimi na MPP for epeja wo mo. Intia na Martin Amidu yedi ni si so no na MPP for epeja wo mo. Na Kennedy Japan nim say asem we are working. Echi nkrofo bebre wo MPP mo, including he himself. Now we are not the chance to say, tell me, look at the positions he held in the NDC and the things he did. I don't know what he did that you people treated him as a hero. Asemwa Kennedy Japan e kan ye no e won two. Asemwa Kennedy Japan kan e won two. Very, very predictable from the tweets I read for you guys. Very predictable. But you see, assembly ni nane say utie interview a Martin Amidu wo ye Martin Amidu had an interview with I think this new radio station omo aba say bibie new radio station Gab Kene Ekufuado cousin the radio station Asase aha Martin Amidu was interviewed on Asase radio. Na the interview no I think I stand to be corrected. The interview no wo no utie nsemo a wo kan ya. The one no Martin Amidu kan say one. Sa 180 million and me de tre mo say your call parliament your call approve ye no Martin Amidu kan ho asem. I say you've gone to parliament and approved 180 million for my office, but I can't touch the money. I need prosecutors. I need officers. I need investigators. I don't have all those people. Martin Amidu say sikana e wose ye de man no e man ho into ejuma no won to me nya. Won say nde Kennedy Japan use that same thing against on Martin Amidu. Kennedy Japan say Martin Amidu is incompetent and lazy in the sense say ye man ejuma say won no won to me anya. Because yes, what Kennedy Japan is saying in his eyes no you're right because he's an MP. Onu Kennedy Japan no there as far as he knows Embra wo Parliament House. Finance Minister Finance Minister can say mo approve isika we ni amfa koma Martin Amidu no mfa nya adwuma and expose the corruption. Inti Kennedy Japan approve Martin Amidu. Inti as far as he knows no wama Martin Amidu ska akoye se wutifie na teacher oba ni school o ma throw letter amao say oba no ye hia sika bi say ye mfa nto ade bi say emma oba no na wo wa sign check and na wa approve check ama school ni say okay which ama oba no as far as you know no sika me wo fan share oba ni nsemu but as far as you know you've approved it for oba no into wo de wo nim say which ya sika no ama oba It's for all you know no. Oshana say obano onya book na obano wo nsia dia na won pass ya you blame obano beka say na book amato ama onyama amato ama oni na no still ejuma no ntumi nye you blame obano. So as far as Kenya Japan is speaking on that level he is right because ye ni na ye nim no parliament no Kenya Japan is part no approve 180 million Ghana cedis for Martinami de so won fanye na ejuma yanko hwe chiasem sesika no indeed ekwo ne ho ana enko ne ho enye nne na Martinami do be throw letter resignation letter na ki enim se sesika ya approve ye kra no se na enko ne ho se sika ne kra wonya wan si di kra fanye ejuma wo hu se nya ni na ate it yes ye beka so lazy because I'm not wa wenya ska no wa mayante ye de ye trimu no ni enim se wo ska na wo de ye ejuma no nti ni na ye bo na chi se sika bebrebe a ye de ama wo nya ejuma bia not knowing se sika na enko ne ho but ono so enfili se obeba ba be kan because onim so obeka wa onim ono ani NDC fo be som e de aye politics you see ade osi dondo afruti gari nti no wa ba bonti aba be kan nini na ne se wasanso reveal say na ex-president JJ Rawlings and now we born ho ban sisi ano JJ Rawlings saying but we'll bring you that story later into no muntra mo adwon comment box ni semo Kennedy Japan aka no muntra mo adwon comment box ni mo me da say hey